Welcome back to Daytime Live. We're joined by Rory Craig Walker of Jamaica Care Packages. Welcome, Rory.
Thanks so much for having me.
What inspired you to get this startup off the ground? These things.
Well, funnily, I was actually in bed one night on Facebook, as we all do, and I was scrolling through, and I saw a friend all the way in Japan say how they'd love some chippies right now. And I was like,
that's right.
I'm pretty sure I can do that.
Yeah.
And I started just like that.
I think that's a great idea. Who, though, is your target market, for example?
So I said the target market is definitely Jamaicans abroad. Anybody who probably that were born here and left, and they just miss and they want these snacks from home. They're able to just log on to the website, place their order, and get it delivered right to them.
I see you have two care packages here, a medium one and a slightly larger one. Walk us through it. Like, what are some of the items people have?
Sure. So this is actually our Mother's Day package. So what we did, wasn't quite sure what to do for the mothers, so we just had asked them, and they said in a package we want some chocolates, we want some sweets and some chippies. So we did that exactly for them, and this package over here. So this is more just showing some more of the items that we have on the site. You're able to go and customize your own, so you don't have to buy this or that package.
Right.
If you want only chippies and tigers, you can order only chippies and tigers.
Yes, I would just
Hey,
order
the combination is serious. Chippies and tigers don't play.
Yo, I'm here for it, and I love the coconut drops. Yes.
Oh, you know, says coconut drops in here. I'm proud
talk
of
to me,
you.
don't
We're
talk
proud
to
of you, Disha.
How many items do you have, like, on the site?
I would say on the
generally,
site we
would you say?
probably have 95 to probably 100. We started with just one package 4 years ago, but then persons would come and say, Rory, we also want wine slice, we want ballers, we want tiki, so we just kept adding them.
Right,
man.
right,
It's
right. So
amazing,
like
man,
the
'cause-
Jamaican peak coffee as well,
Yep.
of course.
Yeah, man, because when I'm away, like, I come across people that really crave a lot of these things. So now, what you're kind of doing now, you're kind of saving me from the phone call. Greg, make sure you stop and get this again. Hold on, question.
Yes.
Have you ever had a request for Jamaican KFC?
How you know? I mean, and the thing is that it has to be the barbecue. The people want the barbecue
Different.
chicken.
Yeah,
I get a whole heap of that. We're not quite there yet, but we're working on it.
What speaking of weird requests, what is the weirdest request that you've had?
We get a lot for cake soap. We get for
Yes, though.
Yeah.
Yes, for the cake. So.
no, not that.
You have to do the move.
No, not for that. Not for that.
No.
But I would say definitely stuff
No.
like that. I wasn't
Right.
expecting to, but people do ask for it.
So,
Right.
since we reached this, now, you never get a bleaching cream request yet?
No.
You're too like.
No, we haven't. We haven't. Not yet. Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right, that's
that's-
great. I have a question. With regards to this package here, like how much would you say this package would set me back? The Mother's Day.
Sure.
How much is this? Because
So-
my mom lives in America,
Sure.
so I could send.
So the price for the Mother's Day is $29 US, and our special thing that we do for is like all packages that's $39 or more gets free shipping to the US and Canada.
Ah, that's nice.
Excellent.
Do they
But
go
I
to the
noticed
UK?
that exactly the UK. We have some UK persons in the audience. Hi, Aunt Jolie. Yes. So, and how does it go to the UK? We don't.
No, man. Okay, let me say. So we ship worldwide. We ship everywhere. Dubai, Kuwait. We ship everywhere.
Lovely.
We're
Just have to
like-
pay for that.
Just
over
have to pay
35.
for that.
Yeah. All right. I have a question. You all know how much I love various things. Is there any white rum in your packaging?
So hard liquor, not quite there yet.
Red label wine,
Red
that's
label,
a Jamaican
well-
staple. Can we get
Well,
that?
we do. I would say yes. So definitely check on the website. In terms of hard liquor, not there yet, but we definitely have your Magnum drink if you want.
Yes, of course.
So we do definitely
Yeah,
have
Okay.
that.
And I mean, people abroad are doing them fruit cake and things for Christmas. They
That's
want
right,
the wine
that's
for
right,
soaps.
And we also sell Christmas cakes during the
See the thing,
Christmas.
see?
If you don't want to bake it,
Yes.
we actually have that ourselves.
That's awesome.
That's
How can we find you? Where can we find
Sure.
you?
So the website is jacarepackages.com. And just for you guys today, we're having a discount of 20%.
Awesome.
All they have to do is use the code Daytime Live,
Right.
and you get the 20% off.
Say that one more time. What do you do for the 20%?
So,
Because,
okay, yes. So the first thing you have to do is
First thing you do.
go to the website.
Website.
www.japackages.com.
Excellent.
And then after you pick all the things that you want, you just use the code
Right.
Daytime Live to get 20%.
Hey, because we love you. Because we love you guys. You know, Mother's Day is coming up. So, guys, send the mommy the catch and the chippies,
chippies.
banana chips. And don't forget, you can head to our Facebook or our Instagram just for some more information. We're going to have all that up as well.
Question two, like, what if I want to offer an item through Jamaica Care Package?
Sure, yeah, man.
true.
We're starting to have that a lot more now.
Right.
All you have to do is just contact me. I'm on Instagram,
Right.
GA Care Packages,
Right.
and we can list your product here.
That's
So if you
excellent.
have something that you make, just contact us.
a
And we
huge-
can
Because
Can
there's
you
someone I
escape
know
and then
that's
you
doing
do
these
that?
amazing steamed fish and okra, which I think would go down really nicely, don't you think?
Yeah,
That could just
definitely.
be right in, because she's on the show after this. So I'm just saying, Daytime Live will be right back.
So
Join us after the break.